Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Tinder can't delete account problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your settings app. Now once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Once you tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down and then tap on Tinder. Let me just assume this app is the Tinder. Once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on offload app. Now what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches present in the app which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once that's done, all you gotta do is try again, and that will fix the issue. But if you are still having the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Tinder and then tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.